I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful double crochet striped towel, perfect for beginners. It's simple, relaxing, and gives you a handmade touch for your kitchen or bathroom. You'll learn how to crochet neat color changes, make even rows, and optionally add a hanging loop. If you're brand new to crochet, be sure to check out my free beginner course linked in the description. Now let's get started. Here's what you'll need: worsted weight cotton yarn in a main color and a contrasting color, 5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and scissors. I'll be using Lily Sugar and Cream in 2 colors, but you can use any worsted weight cotton yarn you like. With your main color, chain 63. Now double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, go through the 2 loops, yarn over, and go through the last 2 loops. Continue to double crochet in each stitch across to the end. You'll have 60 double crochet. For row 2, chain 3, turn your work, and work a double crochet in each stitch to the end. At the end of row 2, switch to your contrast color. I'll show you how to do a neat color change right here. So you're going to continue working with the main color, yarn over, put your loop through the last stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through first 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to add the contrasting color, drape it over your hook, and pull through the last 2 loops. Now you can cut the main color, and now you're going to work with the contrasting color. To start the next row, chain 3, turn your work, and work in double crochet in every stitch across to the end. Now follow this stripe pattern. This is a really soothing project. Once you get in the groove, it's great for relaxing while watching TV or your favorite show, or listening to a podcast. After row 20, fasten off your yarn and weave in all your loose ends with the yarn needle. Thanks so much for crocheting with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly patterns, and check out my free crochet course linked below. I'd love to see your finished towel. Tag me at Looped and Knotted on Instagram.